Each kidney has within it a highly branched chamber that collects the urine produced by the kidneys. A loop-shaped structure called the nephron is the basic functional unit of the kidney. Each kidney contains more than 1 million nephrons, which perform the work required to maintain water and electrolyte balance. The processing of waste in the kidneys has 4 distinct phases. The first step is filtration. Blood enters the kidney and flows through a convoluted network of capillaries at the entry to the nephron. The capillaries have pores and are surrounded by cells with slits. The blood enters the nephron under pressure, which forces the plasma portion of the blood through these pores and slits. The fluid that passes through the capillaries into the nephron is called filtrate and consists of waste products as well as valuable substances such as sugars, proteins, salts, and water. The next step is reabsorption. In this step, valuable substances in the filtrate such as water and nutrients are reabsorbed across the walls of the nephron and returned to the blood. Ions such as sodium and chloride are actively pumped out of this segment of the nephron, and water flows out passively. To help accomplish this exchange, the structure of the nephron allows for a gradient of salt concentration to be maintained, from relatively low at the top of the loop to relatively high at the base. The next step is called secretion. The last segment of the nephron permits active secretion of certain toxins and other substances from the blood in the capillaries into the tubule. The fluid then moves from the nephron into a collecting duct, where much of the water remaining in the filtrate moves out as it passes through the salty tissue near the center of the kidney. During the last step, called excretion, the remaining concentrated fluid, now called urine, leaves the kidney and flows to the bladder.